Want to start interactions with your clients through videos? Want to add more videos to your social media channels? Wondering how other businesses use videos to engage more clients? In this video, you'll discover 3 types of videos. Number 1, IGTV Video for Business. IGTV is a relatively new feature for Instagram. Initially, the platform struggled to find ways to encourage users to publish their videos through IGTV instead of other platforms. But in February 2019, IGTV previews started appearing in the Instagram feed, allowing businesses to enjoy higher reach and engagement. Businesses use IGTV to publish video announcements, tutorials, testimonials, interviews, and event-related content. Number 2, Twitter Video for Business. Twitter says that tweets with video attract 10x the engagement of tweets without video, and including video in promoted tweets can save as much as 50% in cost per engagement. With a limited number of characters per tweet, including a video allows you to convey more information to your audience. And native Twitter video autoplays in the feed, so it's hard for users to miss. Of course, it's important to capture your audience's attention quickly so they'll stop scrolling and start watching. You can also embed native Twitter video on your website or landing page to increase reach. Number 3, LinkedIn Video for Business. LinkedIn is used by marketers to showcase their products, share customer experiences through video testimonials, educate customers on ways to use products they've purchased. What differentiates LinkedIn from other social media platforms is its purpose. People use LinkedIn to develop professional relationships and make business decisions. Offering your product as a solution should be your main objective on the platform. According to LinkedIn, video shared on a company page is 5x more likely than any other type of content to spark conversations. Tips: recording your video. When creating videos for your social media channels, keep your audience and the technical requirements for the platform in mind. Here are a few tips for creating video for any channel. Add captions. People who watch social media video at work or in public often have the sound muted, so captions are crucial for communicating your message. Optimize your video for mobile viewers. Video in a square or vertical orientation is ideal for mobile viewing because viewers don't have to rotate their device to watch it. Use good lighting and clear audio. Videos with poor lighting or sound quality reflect negatively on your business and waste your messaging. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Amon Search Engine Optimization.